ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives Restaurant balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong balayada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating balale da ka Meva Enterprise
ka Sorkar Jilla mentak lanang penkre sat-sat ban pentrai kam ya ka phase 1 hakabai day bat ka jing injection dawai COVID khat khandai ya kini le pentep do sumbut menteri rang ba ka Jilla ba Prestone Tynsong habai ikran begila pathai kubor haka arpu atrik nok pra arajar arpo kat kum ka jing thu jong ba Prestone ka Sorkar Jilla kala bu thong ban ya kini ka dawai injection ban yada no nyang jing pang COVID khat khandai da ka pasdang shwa na kinong tre jong knat ka koi ka khya.
The vaccine is not an energize. Right now it is not. So let us see when time comes. Because right now, vaccine is not even in place. But what I'm trying to tell you is this. Government of India has already said, maybe sometimes in the month of January, they are going to distribute the vaccine. We have already sent. Because right now, the first phase would be focusing only to the frontliner health workers, maybe around 20-25,000 of them. So first phase will be given to them, and this first phase will be given free of cost as committed by the government of India.